connected to? This is my stupid phone. Rubbish. Soundo, ayo. Welcome back. Okay, let me get some music. Speaking of music, speaking of Soundo, music. Please don't stop the music. Let me get what? No, no way! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! No, Josh. Hi, to this and in I need to read this. Um, made only a little bit, only a little bit. Due for this community and my friends, I would like to thank you. Oh my goodness, Josh! Dang, you're gonna make me. You're gonna make me cry, and the market isn't open yet. Oh my goodness! Dang, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Um, I don't know what I can say. My goodness, Josh. I appreciate that more than you will I appreciate what you've done for this community, and the type of person you are and what you've done for me more than you know. So thank you. Oh my goodness. Just cry just a little bit. Just kidding. Josh, love you too. I love you too, Josh. We ride together. We died, ride or die. Let's go. Come on. I really appreciate that, Josh. My goodness. See, I was expecting to come on, get into the flow and do this and do that. Nope. Straight into the fields. My goodness. That's Josh is a legend. It's Christmas. Josh, thank you very much. No, Josh is I told you guys, like Josh is a gem of a human being. When we did the Vegas trip, my goodness, it was I always knew like Josh was but like meeting in person and just having dinners and doing stuff, it was amazing, absolutely amazing. Wow. Oh my goodness. Dang. I see now anyways. Hmm. You can see the emotions. I know. Like it's hard not. This is my second home. Let's go, Josh. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Josh. CM. Good morning, Emer. Good morning, Curl. Good morning, Virus. And what? The absolutely, Virus. Viruses. I promise you, not just appreciates you and not just Blaze. The whole community. Let's spam some hearts for Josh and just for the entire community. I feel like today's gonna be all about this. Just Christmas, getting into the vibes. Let's put some hearts in the chats. For Josh and for everybody. And as I'm dropping my water. Give me a second. That was my excuse to go cry. Anyways. My goodness. Good morning, Jody. Good morning, Gio Rusty. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Mohammed. Good morning. Sesh, good morning. Fina, good morning. KVS, good morning. Lion, good morning. Justin, good morning. Jaden, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Soundo, Ryan, good morning. Omega, good evening. Good morning, Dave. Well, it is evening for all of you guys too in the UK. M, good morning. Good morning, Wes. Jay, good morning. My goodness, guys. My goodness. We should just hang out. Forget about the stonks. Just I'm kidding. Travis, good morning. Reds, good morning. Ye, good morning. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Doug, good morning. Nathan, good morning. Good morning, good morning. While we're doing that, I will get these charts ready. It looks like RMCO is bouncing off $4, which is nice. Next resistance is 490. If we can stay above $4. Okay, not too bad. SNCI was fun. Uh, was it NXTP? Next play, yeah. NXTP had a really nice run with no news. From $1 all the way to 250, 270, 280, and then we're back to $2. So that thing needs to consolidate at some point. Hopefully, Mohammed. We have two choices: carry and project the light, or carry and project the darkness. Be the lights. Let's go, Josh. I like that. I like that. I like that. No, I love you guys too more than we like. Anyways, we spend a lot of time on here, joking around, talking about stonks. It's a lot more than that, isn't it? You guys are like a family to me. So I really appreciate the support always. It's yeah, it's more than just. And I think that's what kind of makes the community special. And that's why we like for people not to lose monies or to struggle and whatnot. It's more than just the stonks. Did he just say I love you too? I love you too. On stream was Blaze on Ham. Well, you might do it again today, Ham. Paige, good morning. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. My goodness. La 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 la. Let's see. La 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 la. My goodness. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I'm sure we're going to do a lot more Merry Christmas wishings at the end of the stream too, or in Discord. So, uh, give what we don't have, but we always find something to give. You could find something to rescue this weekend. If it is, if it even if it's just an ear, in yeah, absolutely. It's that time, isn't it? It's the time to be human above all else. Just be yeah, absolutely. Sometimes you forget. You get carried away with like the chaos of the entire year. I need to do this. I need to do that. It's nice to fully just put away everything because the year is basically over, and then just yeah. Anyways, anyways, yeah. The good thing for now is nothing. Nothing is moving, guys. So don't worry. You're not missing anything. NCL is sitting at the double top, but it's not really exploding. So don't you worry. Nothing is moving. Everything is going sideways. That might be the theme again. It's the last day before the holidays, right? So just be careful with your plays today. Alrighty, don't bag hold stuff. The S&P looks beautiful. Another gap up. Another day, another gap up. So these guys just wanted to sell this thing off a day before we had all that data. So now that it's done, it's back to the thrustings. Back to the thrustings. Okay. This is true. Well, let's go. XOP, I'll take a look. On the daily, I would take a look. CDTX, and then you sold it. CDTX. You sold at 90.92, Yogi. Okay, very nice. That's a very nice play, actually. 82. That's a very nice play, Jody. Very nice. You waited for the sell off after the news came out, right? News came out. It went to the abyss. It popped and then came back down for a double bottom 82, and then you sold at 9. That's a really good play. Good job. Nice. GMBL. Yeah, I would not. Well, I mean, I guess they've done the split already, so that's a bit different. I guess they've done a split. So let me take a look. GMBL. Yeah, so it's a bit different when they've done the split because then I was about to say be very careful, but no, it's completed already. So it's another one of those names that's difficult to short, right? So um, hard to short. Is that true? I'm not sure. I haven't looked at that DP. Where did you hear that from? And if you're unsure, again, there's a link in Discord. There's a link in Discord in the trader website channel that shows you insider buying. So you could just, whenever you hear stuff like that, just go confirm it. Just go to Discord, look at the channel, and then easy to love. Easy to love. You are $4 to 460 Omega. That was a nice scalp. Good job. Did I get rid of? I did. I did. RMCO. Yeah, yeah. $4 is a nice area, and it came back down to the same level again. So you could have done it twice, Omega. Could have done it twice. Hmm. I'm just watching something. Come on, we're gonna. I feel like we're gonna thrust a few times today. So once we're actually ready to go, uh, there we go. Let's go, Mo. Good morning. Uh, you check it out. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. I think the point where you chickened out, it wasn't really doing anything that would have maybe made you FOMO, Yogi. So that's okay. That's okay. What are you guys doing for what are you guys doing for Christmas? Like what's the what do you guys do? Do you guys have traditions? Was it good morning? That's this yeah. I think like I would have said was it good morning? Good morning, good morning. Um, I would have said this is the biggest super chat ever, which it is, but it's more so like it's more so about the way that it makes you it's in this case it's less to do with the super chat than more so to do with like just like the genuine like I'm going with this, right? So going back to your little village in Yogi, I'm coming with you at least for a few days. Hi, Airsoft. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Uh, the French you are. Okay, very good. Yeah, that's very cool. La 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 la. I need to be very clear. My ability to give has been a benefit of this community. Being around Blaze and this group of legends has changed my entire trading career and life. The truth, Josh, I really appreciate that. I really really appreciate your selflessness and more than that, like just your willingness to support others. I think that's amazing. I think that's absolutely amazing. Yeah. Yes, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new, of course, and all the other fun stuff. La 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 la. Um, la. Let's see. Choo choo. Uh, he makes some. Yeah, let's make some good money, Kel. Well, today might be. Yeah, I left something in a socket channel for me. No, Pablo, you're about to ruin my day like this. Oh, Messi. Okay, 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 Messi. Good. Yeah, okay, Messi. I thought it was about to be about fantasy. Phew, stress. Good morning, guys. Some gourmet cookies? No, this money is not going to cookies. Promise. This money is going to the village. I can make you that one promise. To the village is where it's going to. Together to share a meal and a laugh. That will be let's go. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, the next Vegas trip we do. You guys better come. You better be ready. Yeah. To the village. Merry Christmas, Richard. NXTP. Let me take a look. It looks like it's trying to curl off $1.80. So if it can stay above that level, wizard. Keep it for Wembley. No, the village comes first. Always, Mohammed. The village comes first before soccer. I can watch on TV. Sure, I'll take a look, Avina. La, la, la. Someone came in early and asked if members are making money. I hope the super chat. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Josh, what are you guys doing for the holidays? What are the celebration plans? What are the plans? Okay, let me set up these other names. A bit of a curl. Yeah, I do hope at least we have one runner. So SNTI again looks good above 56 cents. Your next resistance will be 60. If we can break 60 and then you're looking for potentially higher. Alrighty. CDTX again, like I said, not too bad with the curl. SMFL, watch for $2.12 for support if you're playing with it. NXTP again looks like it's trying to consolidate off $1.80, so that's not too bad. GMBL has done a split today. With these splits, you can't really sell them or short them. So sometimes you get these crazy rallies. Be very careful though. It doesn't always happen. It's only happening now because it's a theme. It's a theme play because people saw Mullen push and now they're kind of playing with this. So be very careful. ASIP. That's not a ticker symbol. Unless you live in a different country, which you maybe do, right? So not a symbol. AIS, a sip, not a symbol. It's a new merger. Okay, it's not in TradingView yet then. No, 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 no. Oh my goodness. Ay, 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 ay. Oh my goodness. Yogi, oh my goodness. Anyways, Yogi, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yogi's amazing, by the way. So Yogi and I had a one-on-one, and and uh, and every once in a while, like Yogi would like check in and say, you know what, how are you doing? You need to meditate. You need to do this because we talked about meditation on like all one-on-one, right? So that's something that we connected on, and he's been meditating for a long, long time. You can maybe tell by the name, and then he sent me this stuff, this meditation stuff, and it was amazing. Yogi, thank you very much. I when you I don't know what to say anymore. Honestly, I think we should end the stream now so I could go cry somewhere. Um, yeah, yeah. No, it's funny, Pablo, because I was talking to I was going to get a haircut. I think this was a week ago or last weekend, and then I met up with my brother because I had some stuff to give him, and then he's like, and we were talking about it, like, we have to do something like in terms of like giving, right? So then we kind of came up with a plan. So yes, 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 absolutely, Pablo. When she was alive, and I've continued, and I need to do. Yeah, I don't need anything material, Pablo. Exactly, exactly. Yogi, I really really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. My goodness. Has anybody ever shed tears on a stream? Anybody? How much to see you cry? Well, I mean, you're getting pretty close. So, anyways, no, we have an amazing like group of people. I think when this whole thing started, like I would have never expected it to be as as an amazing of a place as this is. Nothing to do with me, I promise. It's just the group of people that have come together in this community that have made it so special. I don't know where they're coming from, but they're here, right? So what did I tell you, Virgo? I know, right? So it's just the group of people on the internet is what constantly amazes me. Like it's truly amazing. And I keep telling you guys, there's not a way that I could ever say like thank you that would be like sufficient enough. So yeah, what has it been, like 4 years or something? I don't know. I don't know. And yeah. Yeah, yeah. No, you guys are my people, and yeah, Rise says I can feel the magic. You guys are awesome, Yogi. Yeah, absolutely. Like it's amazing. It's amazing. The day I met General Flynn, Mike Flynn. You're gonna cry before end of the day. Yeah, well, I mean, yeah. I don't know if we're going to talk about stocks today, honestly, but again, nothing else is moving anyway, so we're fine. Alrighty, so there's some stuff that's closed and sitting at support, but at this point, we wait for the market to open. Good morning, Frank, and let's go, Costa. No, that's truly amazing. Truly amazing. Yeah, yeah. And I think the yeah, definitely, yeah. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Dan. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Good morning. If I've missed you, I'm all distracted in a different space. No, I'm glad you're learning. I'm glad you're learning, Costa. And yeah, if I've missed you again, Merry Christmas. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I Dan, I see. I'm getting like I don't know how I'm gonna say thank you guys. I don't know how. So you should stop sending super chats because I don't know what I'm gonna say to you. Alrighty, please, Dan. I love you too, Dan. You're amazing. I'm glad your wife lets you come and in this community. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you as well, Dan. We're not gonna talk about stocks today, so it's gonna be mushy stuff. My mom loves you. Well, I love your mom too. Don't cry, please. I'm trying not to. I try not to, guys. We'll be trading with emotions today. Yeah, I'll be trading with emotions, guys. I will be trading. You know how they say don't trade with emotions? Yeah, it's all emotions. So if you see me panicking on stream, is because I'm trading with emotions. So I will. I should probably stay away. Dan, I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. I tell you, like it's like like I really appreciate the super chats and but more than that, it's the people, it's you guys, and it's because I know Dan and Josh and like Yogi and these guys, like you guys have been very supportive for a long time, but it's like the I don't know what to say. I should stop talking. Dan, thank you very much. Again, I appreciate that more than you know. You guys are truly a blessing. Truly, yeah. Anyways, yeah. Happy holidays to you as well. Pizza, good morning. Merry Christmas. The market's gonna open and we're not even gonna care. We're not even gonna care. Brandon says, proof that good people are there. Very positive and uplifting stream today. It really is, Brandon. It usually is. It's okay, Liz. Before you start crying, wishy and thrust. I know, right? We're gonna need to thrust so much today, and the market just opened. So let's give it a second, and then it's non-stop thrusting today. Non-stop. I didn't come here to trade today. Josh came for the mushy stuff today. Yeah. Thank you very much, Wes. Thank you. Thank you. There goes RMCO. I need to get into a different space because the more I think about this, the more the invisible tears show up. Anyways, so yeah, just be careful with these market open pops for now. Let's see if we can get some consolidation and then go from there. Alrighty. Wasn't hot enough for roasting yet. Above 300? No, no. Again, nothing is moving, right? SMFL is selling off, NCL is selling off, SNTI is selling off, CDTX is selling off. Well, CDTX is bouncing a bit off 87, so that's not too bad if we can consolidate. So that's something to pay attention to. NXTP is selling off. RMCO selling off for now. So again, a whole bunch of these things are selling off, right? With RMCO, watch that $4 level already. Yeah. Pizza? No, thank you very much. Okay, now we're in a different space, you know. Now we're in a different space. No, Peter, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm telling you, like when I hanging out with Peter and Josh, different, different. See, Peter is one of those people that like, and this is something that I really appreciate, like doing one-on-ones and getting to know people. Is when you think of Peter, it's like it's all nice things. It's Peter is super funny. Peter's really caring. Peter's very helpful. It's all these nice things, right? It's Peter has a lot of fun. Um, but like getting to know Peter, like and knowing his story, it's amazing how Peter is like he is. Knowing what like he's gone through or what he's like it's different. It's so different. Peter's another one of those humans. Different. Um, it's it's wrong. It's so different. Um, yeah, Peter is yeah. Hmm. MSAI. Sure. Yeah, that's a nice little push, pal. Nice bounce off the demand zone, 455. Nice. So you need that thing to break above 450, otherwise you have a problem and it's gonna sell off. Alrighty, so there we go. So SMFL had a bit of a dipski at the open and now it's pumping, so that's good. 260. Was that the pre-market high? Yes, it is. Yeah, that's a nice bounce though. So resistance at $2.60 ish, 260 ish. If we can close candles above 260. Uh, Peter can drive. Yeah, Peter. Well, to be fair, I beat Peter. I beat him. So I beat him. So you know what that means? That means I can drive better than Peter. The only person that I could not beat was Josh. But then again, Josh has been racing for a damn long time. So you know, look who's talking. I beat him. Yeah, I done the driver's license. You were well, actually, unfair. When you, you know what? These are excuses. I hear excuses. Excuses is all I hear. I left Peter in the dust. Mullen is going to the bridge. Yeah, not surprised. Mullen was always going to go to the bridge. We were hoping it would keep going so we could short it, but I don't think we haven't. I don't think we ever got puts. Merry Christmas, clouds. Merry Christmas. Yeah, no. So as you can see, we're failing at that 260 for SMFL resistance. Um, yeah. Again, today's one of those days where, like, if you're really unsure about what to do, just be patient, right? Let these plays come to you today, and if they don't, that's okay too, right? So there goes halted for MSAI. Are you in this one, pal? Did you FOMO? Did you get into it? Hopefully, right? So that thing said buy, 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 and halted at $5.90. Again, not a massive gain. It's 19%, but I think it's more so like where it's been coming from 460, from red to green is Alvin, yeah. You in again? Omega? Okay, sounds good. GMBL is halted down. Yeah, be careful with these trash names, right? Hmm. Oi. Have I ever been this 260? You did 225. Oh, beautiful, beautiful Yogi. That's a beautiful exit too, isn't it? Well done. So 225 on the breakout. I like that a lot, actually. I like that a lot. So, and then sold at resistance. Good job. Nice. NCL. It look. I mean, so RMCO is still holding the 200, so that's a good thing for now. And then NCL. I am Vina. I'm just wondering if you wake up some mornings and then like you drink all the pot of coffee and then you're unsure like what's pumping and what isn't pumping. I'm kidding, by the way. I'm kidding. It's because you always say stuff is pumping and it's not actually pumping. So this is why I'm sorry, but this is why when you say stuff, I don't look at your stocks anymore because you always say it's pumping and it's doing nothing. And then this morning he told me to look at its stock that isn't a stock. Pal, good job. So don't go red, please. Don't go red. Don't go red. Don't go red. It's a slow pumper. I mean, it's a red candle, so I'm not sure which direction that's pumping in. A heart attack. Someone call someone. Someone call someone. Yeah. A nice little push up the 200 for RMCO. A nice little push. Oh, they did. Okay, sounds good. I mean, at least it wasn't a signal at 260, which is resistance, right? So, yeah. At least it wasn't the worst of signals. It's a signal that has that they're hoping. At least there's hope, even though that's not a signal I would send. But, anyways, no, that's okay, Vina. I just yeah. Hmm. This is gonna be the we need to start thrusting. By the way, we need to start thrusting. Otherwise, the stream is gonna get a little bit weird. So let me go find the thrust beats. This is your okay, maybe don't send signals. It's too emotional. No signals today, please and thank you. You're on your own. Otherwise, I'm gonna send you emotions. I'll send you to the bridge before the holidays. So this is every time we thrust today. Imagine this is your last time thrusting for before Christmas. So put your back into it, please and thank you. Alrighty. So most of you guys have been here long enough that you don't need to be. We don't need the nice thrustings. Alrighty. So here we go. Here we go, guys. It's been a long year, and we've had a lot of fun together. We've lost some monies, we've made monies, we've had lots of laughs, some crying, a lot of. So I need you to put your back into this one, cause come on, people. Come on. If your wife is watching you, if your husband is watching you, if you're at the grocery store, you want to be a little bit nice because you want to be nice. I still need your hands up in the air though. Alrighty? Come on. It's 2023 thrust vibes. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Come on. Go. 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 Come on. And if you're feeling like you just don't care, I need you on the floor. Pretend like you're gonna take a nap, lay on the ground. You can start undressing if you want to. Shirts optional, pants optional, everything optional. Come on, people. One hand on the ground, the other hand behind your head. I need the hips to go from the floor to the sky. Alrighty? And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. To the left. To the right. Skirt. Skirt. To the window. To the wall. When lampo. To the sun. At night. And what? Go. 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 And what? And thrust. Rico's like, what the hell is going on in this channel? It doesn't matter, Rico. Get into the vibes. Don't worry, we're gonna thrust over and over and over again. If you're new to the channel, don't feel like don't get any weird vibes. Just next time, just be ready, because we're gonna do this a lot today. You caught me at the store again? Good, Gail. Next time you're at the store, get on the floor, please. You're gonna end up on a platform you don't want to end up on, but that's okay. Anyway, so SMFL is still failing at 260, so resistance. Alrighty. MSAI is still halted at 591. Nasty Nate. Well, your name is anyways. RMCO still holding the 200, so that's good. You're gonna need this thing to break above $4 and actually close above $4, above the 9 and above the VWAP if it's gonna go. So watch that $4 breakout and hold. Alrighty. So NCL is not doing anything; it's still selling off. SNCI looks like it's giving us a double bottom at 52 cents, so that's good if we can stay above 52 cents. CDTX isn't doing much. Alrighty. So for now, we wait for one of these names to get unhalted, and then interesting. You can say all together now, store, get on the floor, and then someone's gonna call the cops. You're in front of a school. You can say all together now, kids, get on the floor, let's thrust together, come on. And then you're also gonna end up in jail, but just till they come watch the channel and they're like, oh, okay, then they're gonna let you go. So on RMCO is unable to close above $4, so if you're playing with that, just be careful. Alright, you watch the 200 there for your next support. 200s, there goes the SNCI with the push. That's a nice double bottom, actually. Very nice double bottom at 52. Push to new highs of the day. Resistance at 60 cents for SNCI. Alrighty, so I'm going to put this one up here so we can kind of see. Right, so again, resistance at where it's sitting at 60 cents. Then that support at 52 cents. That would have been a nice catch off a double bottom, right? And then a curl. Double bottoms. Interesting. Worst advice ever, Ryan. Maybe not in school. If you're in class, that's okay too. Tell your professor to take all this rubbish off the table. More important things need to be done on the table. Why you would be in school today, it would be a different story. But yeah. Coin has been an absolute monster. Absolute monster. Yeah. Absolute monster. Just never stopped. Then the thrusting meme? Maybe, probably. I don't know. Probably. What is that? Is that the wait. Oh, your chart. Oh. Oh, I see your chart now, Josh. That does look like it's having a heart attack. Right, so. Uh, yeah, yeah. That is pretty funny, actually. So MSAI is unhalted, guys. It's at $6, and oh my goodness, yeah, it's been unsalted. What a beautiful run! My goodness. Wow, wow, wow. It's a very nice run. The best curl. I know you've been crushing that thing, so congratulations. Paul, do you have a stop loss now, or are you taking profits? You have a stop loss or taking profits? So highs of 670, highs of $6 and there goes new highs of the day. 690. Yeah, it's gone skis. It's gone skis. So congratulations if you're in that one. Yeah, Alex, you're in this one as well. Yeah, 699. Can you believe something's bumping like this the day before the holidays? Wow, crazy, isn't it? So congratulations if you're in that thing. Just don't forget to pay yourself. When do we start the mulling bashing party, right? I mean, you could you could bash Mullen at any point, honestly. At any point. And it would be okay. Even if Mullen is pumping to $100, you could still bash Mullen. I mean, we trashed Mullen on the way up, so anytime you want. Okay, good, 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 good. Just don't go red. Just don't go red. That's an amazing run, though. It does look like we're hitting one of those lines at 720. So resistance at 720. Yeah, resistance at 720. I wish we could buy puts. Bernard, good morning. Yeah. Hmm. La la la. La, la, la. Hmm. I'll even come back and it's like a Will Xmas season going on. I know, right? uh, Spy double tops. Let me take a look today. Spy, Spy Mindy. Yeah, that thing looks good. Yeah, I mean, I I think if we're gonna sell off, then maybe it's yeah. I mean, sure. As long as you don't break out though, daily high weekly just today. No, so you're looking for like that all time high, Mindy. I think that's kind of what people are looking for now, right? All the way up, 179 is what people are looking for, right? So this was just a retest of the nine. The last 2 days, the last candle to 168 retest of the nine, right? So now it's going back up again. So yeah, yeah, you can look for like a double top and puts as long as we stay below 47580, 47590. So you could take that gamble actually, right? Because you're risking like what 50 cents, right? So yeah, so you can try it for sure. As long as we don't go above though, because if we go above, we close above it, then you're looking for 479. It's gone skis. after that, right? Like it's, I mean, the markets have been so strong, right? And we've talked about, we've talked a lot about the reasons why the markets would be this strong at the end of the year. So, um, yeah, looks good. I see no signs of weakness. That's my concern, right? So, but yeah, stuff like this, you can definitely short it if you want to, but then you have to get rid of it immediately as soon as it breaks out. You can take like a micro loss and just move on, right? So, um, now, if we start to really stall on the 4 hour time frame, though, like yeah, it's approaching a double top on the 4 hour and on the daily. So if we get there and we're stalling on multiple candles, then yes, green chart of the year, yeah, like next week, right? So yeah, and it's funny because we talked about that yesterday when Rob was on, or the day before that, that maybe we get like a last little bit of a sell off, maybe not just the Grinch, but like tax harvesting, right? So something that we talked about. The last time you could sell, right, to get some losses is next week, right? So maybe, yeah. But then again, yeah, you just have to make sure that we do not break out, and then you happy days because you could catch the top. Seasonality. Let me look at that seasonality thing. I don't think it really counts this year, honestly. The seasonality chart. Yeah, as you can see, like usually, yeah, you can kind of see the charts, right? And for the most part, we've done exactly this. Like we've been going straight up, 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 right? So October new highs, November new highs, December new highs, right? So the start of the year is usually when things get a little bit fishy, 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 right? So maybe as we get to like this the January or stuff like that, maybe we have a bit of a rally and then we sell off. But then again, it's the election year and usually it's boom skis. So yeah, I don't know. So you just have to make sure again the benefits of like potentially shorting something at highs like this is you have the luxury of having that high, right? You have the luxury of being like, oh, it's clearly sitting at resistance, right? So if we fail at that level, you know exactly what to do if we break out. You just get rid of it. Easy, pretty damn easy to manage. So it looks like we failed that resistance for SNCI, guys. That shouldn't be a massive surprise, right? So we failed at 720 for MSAI, right? So again, that's not a big surprise that it's failing at resistance. So hopefully you maybe took some profits at that level already, and then back down. Boots over who? um, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. There you go. No. Okay, let me pull up some of these other names here. 220. No, no, no. uh, uh, yeah, as long as we. La, 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 la. Oh, the W? Yeah, and NCL looks very similar with the W. With the W's. Yeah, no, Spy's been ridiculous. I don't think anybody could have predicted that the S&P would end the year like this. Even though the seasonality chart looks like that, right? Yep, double tops every time frame. So yeah, again, I like the idea, Mindy, for shorting. You'd have to get rid of it though if we went above 2747590. I like the idea because we're sitting at the double top. Then the only thing I don't like about this is the market is clearly bullish and has no I mean, like, I feel like we've had so many reasons to go down, and the market said nope, 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 no, absolutely not. Right. So that would be the other side of it. Yeah. 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 So, anyways, are we still selling off here? Yeah, we are. So again, hopefully you took profits on MSAI. Today's one of those days, again, before the holidays. You want to make sure you're securing profits. You're not diamond handing things as people go away for 4 days, 3 days, whatever it is, right? So be very careful, right? So, yeah. Choo, choo, choo. Choo, 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 choo. Interesting. NXTP. Yeah, let me go back. Let me go back and take a look. NXTP. Yeah, that's a nice bounce. It's actually a very nice bounce off a double bottom, Mohammed. Yeah, right. So, and this is why we want the sell off at the open, guys. This is what we ask for. If you ask me what a perfect market opening chart is, it's this. For some reason, we weren't paying attention. But if you ask me what a perfect chart is for market open, it's exactly this, right? It's something that's gapped up, right? And it's something that people took profits on. People take profits, right? As the market opens, we sell off, we consolidate for a few minutes, and then we cross back above the 9. We bounce off the demand zone. We cross back above the kernel, off the VWAP. We break above all the moving averages. This is a perfect looking chart, right? Sell off, expect a sell off, right? Demand a sell off, consolidation, 1 2, right? Number 3, cross above the 9, right? And then the kernel. So you have a few things going for you here at the bottom, right? This is perfection. So, and then now you have a little bit of resistance there on the left hand side, the break of structure zone at 236, right? And then you're looking for those 250s. That's nice. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. And yeah, sure. Alrighty. There we go. La 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 la. Second run. Yeah, no, just be careful with 236. Yeah, if you're holding it for now, all you want to see is look to the left hand side and see that it stays above this level. So that would just be a retest of the breakout, right? So if you can stay above $2.14, you should be okay there, Dinestis. Yeah, you're looking for 190. Yeah, for now your main concern should be support, right? So stay above that level. If not, yeah. So, oh, you're looking for second entry. Okay. Triple bottoms, SNTI. I mean, it looks that way, doesn't it? It looks that way, especially being below the 200. Yeah. 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 I was Stuart. I was close to being in tears. Close, close. And then Peter had to yeah. Peter had to la, 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 la. Peter had to anyways. Well, let's see what happens there actually. A little bit of consolidation for MSAI and then a curl. La, 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 And then we roasted him and brought him back to reality. Yes, Dan. Very generous indeed. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yep. Mullen is what? Well, I guess. Interesting level actually. That's a nice little bounce. Again, a bit of consolidation off to 570, 580, and then back to 650. It's not too bad. Oh, the cookies? I usually don't have very many. Well, there's a lot of sweets. Mr. Chairman, buenos dias. Buenos dias. So I have other bakings, other bakings to eat, not just cookies. So yeah. You got in at 83. Okay. 83. And I guess so, Mr. Chairman. Good morning, Captain Bottom Bouncer. See, RMCO. Royalty management. We're back to $4. Yeah. Two. Yeah, this was a nice. That was a nice bottom at 360 off the demand zone. That was a nice level. A nice level. See, you're missing all these demand zones because it's you guys' fault. I expect Mr. Chairman has been a slack fantasy. He's getting slapped. He gave up. Mr. Chairman, what happened? What happened? Yeah, looks like we're getting a higher low instead, Simon, for SNTI. SMFL looks interesting, but it's failing at the 9, right? Every single candle is failing at the 9. So it's going to need to cross back above 220 and close candles above 220. Actually, 222 is the level, 222. And then you're looking for 230 after that. Yeah. NKTX. Yeah, that's a nice run. I think you can see the low volume on these candles though, Sham. So that would be the only concern. But yeah, that's a nice run. And yeah, especially during Christmas, Mr. Chairman. Especially during Christmas. This week, Pizza, it's not gonna happen. Put me in timeout this season from FPL. Okay, you're back now though. Good. It's time for you to do better. Alrighty. Rocket Labs, yeah. So Rocket Labs had that news yesterday, which is nice, and the stock has done really well, 27%. So again, if you bought the news was right there in Discord, right? So if you bought that, you're very happy, right? So SMFL is trying there now, so that's good. So now your next resistance will be closer to 226 to 230 is your next resistance there. So that thing needs to break and go boom skis. It's trying. But yeah, 226 and then 230 resistance. There goes 227. Sunny, the Peter Captain Sun. I bet you. Well, Sun is gonna blank. Oh no, I think son, Peter Captain Salah. Hmm. Yeah, Captain Salah. FPL, the FPL goats. Yeah, Salah is the FPL goat. Harlan isn't there yet. He's not there yet for sure. I'm sure he's gonna be there though. La, 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 la. He's the quiet corner. Yeah, he does. He does. La, la. Yeah, that thing is still fighting to close out there above 226, and it's having such a hard time, Costa. Right, so yeah, such a hard time. But again, it is resistance, right? So it's basically the breakout level. So not a huge surprise that it's testing it for a bit. So it's really going to need to break out here, like now, on one of these candles, on one of those candles. It's praying. Yeah. No, these guys are stars for like that for a reason, Peter. They can perform like on any stage. So yeah, Watkins has been known to blink. Choo, choo, choo. Yeah, 226, unable to break out yet. With a small position, okay, and it failed at 226. So not a massive surprise because it is resistance. So we're just kind of hoping that it does. MSAI basically double topped, close to 7. Right again, so that would have been a nice another area to take profits at. SNTI is holding the double bottom, the demand zone, the 200, which is good. Um, right, so your next resistance is still that 60 cent level for SNTI, and then RMCO looks beautiful off that demand zone, very beautiful, right? So yeah, next resistance is $4.45, 440, 445. So that's the opening level on the left hand side. In at 55 cents, okay, not too bad, not bad at all. As long as Saka doesn't score, well, actually, I need Trent to score. Saka's sitting on the bench, waiting for these. Anyways, okay, now we need something to thrust to, something. We need to thrust more. We need to thrust more. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Bonjour, bonjour, Olu, bonjour. Yes, right. You benched your boy. Yeah, well, yeah. Saka's nice, yeah, but I benched him though. Saka's Mohammed's boy. After hours until open, so you're ashamed? You should be. Uh, you took monies away from the bag holders. Anyway, so yeah, SMFL doesn't look bad because it's consolidating here, but it's still below resistance, so it really needs to break out, right? So, and the longer it takes, the lower these levels get, right? So, if it can get above 225, that would be a good thing. Alrighty, so and you need that thing to stay above 205 because if it goes below 205, then you have a big problem. Alrighty, so hopefully it stays above here. Then goes boom skis, but it's looking a little bit weak, isn't it? A little bit weak. It looks like SNTI actually tested almost 59, so it's getting close. Right? We've been failing at this level so much this morning, so 59 to 60 cents. So not a huge surprise. Buy three shares of Tesla and five Hail Marys. Is that what you said to the nun, Peter? Oh my goodness. Mm-mm-mm. I knew it. See, Josh? Mm-mm-mm. Good morning, Joe. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Come on, SMFL. Give us a bouncy bounce. Again, it's finding a bit of a base, right? But it's going to need that push. There you go. Trying. Trying to. RMCO still looks really good. So, Simon, Street TV, good job on this one, by the way. So, again, here comes that previous high, right? So, closer to 440 resistance. So, just be careful here, please. Be careful, right? But that's a very nice push. Let me take a look at the symbol again. Yeah, it's really not doing anything, Jeff. So, it's going to need to. It's going to need to. Is that 560? Oh yeah, 530 Yogi. Okay, okay, very good. That's a good play. 76 to 430. Okay, very nice. Very, very nice. Beautiful. Yeah, that's not a bad exit spot either, is it? Uh-uh. Those videos are so much more relatable with futures trading. Okay. uh, with you're hella scared this morning making trades. Yeah, there's some really big wicks, right? Yeah, some very aggressive wicks on futures. I yeah. Liverpool 0. Yeah, and I think Liverpool is going to score. Arsenal is terrible when it comes to defense, even though they're meant to be like the. Mm-mm. I think the defense is overrated. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Finally, right. So again, that thing only popped two candles after it closed above that breakout zone, right? So which is good. Right. So if you agree, don't go red. It's testing a little bit of a downtrend there, so it's annoying when it moves like this. When it's annoying when it moves this quickly without really giving you consolidation. Because I mean, look at that, right? So it seems like the bottom again. That's why it's sometimes good to wait for the bottom on these plays, right? Because you can kind of see that you can potentially scalp it on the way up, but then just make sure we don't go below the bottom, right? So just make sure we don't go below. We don't close these candles below that 216 level, and you should be okay. Alrighty. Na, 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 na. Yeah, those were some nice candles on the way up top. Just annoying the way that it came back down so quickly. Mm-mm-mm. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. So again, it looks like it's still holding the bottom, so that's a good thing, right? So as long as you stay above 217, then it should be okay. Alrighty, alrighty. And Yogi again, really good exit for RMCO, double tops. We're back to 414. So if you diamond handed that thing, you lost some monies. Ready? So ZY ZJZ. I always forget the ticker symbol is very complicated. I'm surprised. I'm surprised this thing is still above $100. 91% today. I don't get how it's still above $100 without really maybe in this case this is one of those one of those cases where like the shorts really do have to cover maybe. I bet you it's shorts. Richard, good. Yeah, I'm surprised it's still Nemo. I'm surprised it's still doing what it's doing, but I bet you shorts might really be trapped in this name because the way it moved a few days ago from the 10 to where it went to. NXTP. Well, it's unhalted. It's at 150. What $1.50, $150, and it's yeah, that's crazy. Anyways, just be careful, please. What's your question for Mara? What's your question? Let me know. MNTS. Okay. MNTS. Yeah. Your opinions are overrated. In case you missed it, I really did miss. I missed that, Mohammed. I missed it. Yeah, the Arsenal is. Yeah, I don't know how they keep winning, but yeah. Don't worry, KDB's back now. It's this is where things change. Uh, alert for MOBX. What the hell is that? How did that thing just go from $6 to $10? And why do I have an alert on it? 17. Huh. Interesting. La, 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 la. So this was okay. 20. Interesting. Okay. It's halted again. Yeah. Depending on which you went to the 51. You did the 25. Now you're going to the 50. Joe. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I think some people. I think Lynn went to the. What did Lynn go to? Like the 150 or the 100 something. Uh, Interesting. Hmm. Yes. Yeah. 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 Lynn's a criminal. Yeah. Lynn is a criminal. A disciplined criminal. Yes. You have to be. You have to be. Yeah. No. That thing is halted. So maybe another retest and a curl of the 200 yogi for RMCO would be good. Sell off, consolidate, and then curlies, and then we can go from there. She signed up for all of them. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. No. NXTP looks good. It's breaking the highs of the day, so you need that thing to close above 237 now, Dinestis. But yeah, no, that's a nice break. Yeah. I actually don't mind this breakout and the retest. So if you look to the left hand side, like right there, and the breakout right there, and then the retest right here, right? So this was quite nice actually, just above $2, and it's back to 250. Wow. Okay. So and then now your next resistance would be that pre-market high, right? So anywhere from 250 to 270. Would be levels to be mindful of. So yeah, again, that's some really nice consolidation actually before the boom skis. Right, breakout, retest, consolidate, and then go for the second run. So yeah, that's quite nice. Quite nice. La la la. Boom skis. Yeah, you can kind of see that little pink line at the top there at 255 for NXTP. I would be careful at that level. These pink lines go way way back, at least 2 years. So whenever you see the pink lines, you want to be they go back quite a bit. The blue lines go back a year, and then the new lines are the white lines, right? So I think we use the pink lines first, and then the blue lines, and then the white lines, right? So yeah, so that thing needs to close about 255. Oh my goodness, that thing said screw the pink line, send it. And so now it's breaking above, retesting the pre-market high, right? So that 270, 280. I'm surprised it's not halted on that candle actually. I'm surprised it's not. Well, it looks like it's halted now. Yeah, it's halted. 288 halted. I hate when TradingView does those stupid glitches, but anyways, yeah, it's halted. OCGN, you're in at 37.8. My thoughts, red candle, and yesterday around the price. Is it? It's at now. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Hmm. No, no. So that's halted. That's halted, and then yeah, RMCO came back to that to that support again, Yogi. So 370, right? So and then right back above the 200. Right back above the 200. That's a nice halt, though. OCGN. I was about to say, like, you're asking for OCGN. Everybody hates OCGN, right? So, yeah, let me take a look at this. The good thing about SMFL is, yeah, like as much as it's been failing to break out, it's still holding the damn support. That's what you want, right? That's what the patience is for. You can look at this, and if I ask you to close your eyes and do a backflip and tell me where the support is, you could do it, right? So that's what you want, right? Yeah, like it's stalling and stalling and stalling and stalling, but at the same time, it's still holding the same base, right? Yeah, let me go look at let me look at OCGN. OCGN, one of those stocks that everybody hates. Hates. So you got in at so you're in at 38 cents. So you're green in that position, which is good, Eddie. So people hate it because nobody was ever green on that name. Um. So your question is of the big red candle and wick yesterday and around the price. Okay, let me look at a smaller time frame then, because I'm not going to see that on the daily. The entry is actually quite nice. Did you have a really good entry? You're talking about the dip to 38. Yeah, no, you have a really good entry, Eddie. What are my thoughts on this? I think it looks fine for now, right? So, especially if we can find a way to close above, so 40 cents, that would be really good, right? So, I mean, you can kind of see what's happened here over the last week or two is OCGN, stalled. Like we found a base above 40 cents, which was good, right? So nice support at 40 cents, and then it bounced. And then when it broke below 40 cents, it had a hard time getting back above 40 cents, right? So you kind of need that thing to close above 40 cents. If it does, then that's a good thing. So it looks good for now. From a technical point of view, it looks good. But the company has always been a scam, right? So always been a disaster. Uh, yeah. So see, Eddie, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Drop it like it's hot. There you go. Come on. Yeah, hot that 288. Yeah, Mohammed. And they're still trying to get, honestly, Sham, whatever they're trying to get, they might as well just give up now because the company is stupid. Um, stupid. anyways, anyways, here you go, 233. Yeah, you need the scanner to close above the previous level that we closed at. So just close above. Just keep closing above 230, and that's a good start. Or just keep giving you higher lows, right? And then your next resistance is 235, right? So you're gonna have 235 resistance. Yeah. Hey, you said yeah 237, 230. So 235 is where that the last double top came from, Lori. So is what you need to break. Hopefully it's not a double top or just a lower high, because that would be very annoying. Yeah, it's stalling again, isn't it? Yep. Yep. Another fail. Thank you very much. Yeah, NXTP is unhalted and it's gone. 225%. This was the day before the holidays. And the damn stock was on fire. Oh my goodness. BT. What's this one doing? Okay, liquidity into the 360s. Yeah. We might have missed that one, but that's okay. 2337. Booyah, Omega. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So again, don't forget to pay yourself. Today's the day you pay yourself. Alrighty. So new highs, beautiful breakouts, right? From breaking pre-market left-hand side highs to breaking market opening highs. Right. This damn thing is done really well. So congratulations if you're in it. Congratulations. Anyways, Oh wow, look at that, 350. Look at that, 370. Interesting. Commission says they are prepared to accept a spot crypto ETF. Wow, that's huge. Hong Kong, that's huge. Yeah, I think it's just a matter of time, Stuart. They kind of have no choice at this point, you know. They kind of have no choice. GMBL is breaking out. Okay, okay, okay. Sounds good. SMFL again, we failed basically at the same resistance. So if you scalp this thing multiple times, I'm sure you're happy. But again, resistance, sell off, right? So alrighty, so resistance and then back down to the abyss. But it's still closing candles above 217. So I hate that it's doing that though. You want to be careful, right? So hate that we're having to come back down there multiple times. Multiple times. Uh, okay, cool. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, Gregs. Beautiful. A run. Yeah, no, that was a good alert. So what Greg did was he set an alert for $2, and it broke above $2. Obviously, it's not at $2 anymore, but yeah, that was a really good alert you set for yourself. That was a good alert. Good job, and thank you for spamming, Greg. Thank you for spamming in Discord. Alrighty. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, so just yeah, if you made monies again, don't forget to pay yourself on the way up, right? So at some point, these things will all start face falling, face planting, straight to the abyss. Why? Because again, it's the holidays, right? So it's going to be rare to see something that's actually holding up nicely as people go away for 3 days, for 4 days, or however long, right? So just be careful. Yes, yes, Greg. Thank me later for GMBL. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Jill, are you in it? Are you making monies in it? Say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes. So look at that. So a nice little break above that resistance at 320, the pink line, and then we came back, and it looks like we're kind of bouncing up the pink line. So that's a good thing. Alrighty. So yeah. Okay, let me take a look. GMBL is what you're saying. We're gonna thank you later because of it. Um, as long as it stays above $5, you're out of it, Jill. Congratulations. High five. Good job. As long as it stays up there, right? Look at that thing go 366. Nice retest, actually, right? 320 back to the highs, 370, 300%. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It was the day before the holidays, and the thrusting never stopped. Santa was not needed. Why? Because the people were thrusting on their own. The peoples were thrusting on their own. So make sure you have a stop loss. Have a stop loss before you end up like this.
I should have seen that one coming.
So make sure you have a stop loss, please. Please and thank you. Because of some ODTE AMC calls on a Friday. You're expecting AMC to go boomskis today? AMC, not like SPY, but AMC. Interesting. Interesting. Beautiful. Look at that thing go. My goodness. Craig, did you form a $2 so you kind of waited? What's on this scanner? The NXTP. Okay. 24, 34. Beautiful. Beautiful. I need that power too. He said AMC calls. Out of everything else in the universe, you said AMC calls. About his adventure. Yep. Yeah, that's what happens when you go skiing and then you go into the trees. You could end up in the abyss, or you could end up. Anyways. Oh yeah, I see. To the theaters. Yeah, no, not AMC. Yeah, GMBL is actually holding 5. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Oh, cool. I wanted to look at something else. I just don't remember though. Just don't remember. Analysis mark? What do you mean? You thrust? Thrusting? My goodness, what a weak stock. What an annoying weak stock. What's Coinbase doing? Virus, you had a stock you wanted me to look at for breakout. I just forgot to look at it. Coin. Dang. Look at Coin go. The last time Coin was below the 9 EMA, and again, this is why we like the 9 EMA so much, right? On the daily, right? The last time Coin was below the 9 EMA was at $76. That's wild. We consolidated for quite some time, right? Demand, $70, $70. We crossed back above, and that thing said, yep, yep, yep. It just never, and now it's used the 9 as support on the way up, right? Every retest has been a bounce. That's beautiful. And new highs, and new 52-week highs, and new 52-week highs every single day. Highs, highs, highs. Wow. Forget it. I got my calls. You are pizza 350 on the futures. Oh, beautiful. How close are you to getting to passing the test? How close? How close? La, 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 la. Yeah, no, NXTP is I mean, you're testing the 370s, right? A 300% run. So stop asking stupid questions. Oh my goodness. you you might need to have that big win, Peter, and then just take it slow. Take it as slow as possible. Get there $50 at a time, unless you're trying to get there in a day. Yeah, GMBL. Yeah, that's not too bad actually. Yeah. So SMFL broke down there, so that's rubbish. There goes GMBL, halted at 648. Oh wow, yeah, that actually $5. Wow. Saban says you're gonna thank me. First 3 were practice, pizza. Yeah, I mean you didn't even paper trade it, so everything you're doing now is kind of practice. $5. Consolidate 630. Cool. Dan, what do you think of the people that are running through the future funded accounts, running through these accounts? Dan took some time to paper trade these features. Everybody else running through them, running, running. Impressive. La la la. It's funny because like we would say, hey Dan, how are futures going? He's like, I'm still paper trading. 1 week went by, 2 weeks went by. Hey Dan, how are futures going? Still paper trading. 3 weeks went by. Dan, how's it going? I'm still paper trading. I'm still trying to figure this out. Everybody else says, come on, we do this in one day, please. Um, you see the future? Yeah, GMBL is halted 650. That's nice, Saban. Hopefully you FOMOed into it. Any new shoes at this point? At first, but then it was something for dumb luck. Yeah, you want to be careful. Take your time with futures. Otherwise, you might get entered. In a day is in the days is quite the play. Yeah, I don't know how Joe did it. Joe passed in a day while driving. Let's go, Jill. Let's go. It freezes. I am very happy for you. Beautiful. You made $788 on a beautiful. Congratulations. Let's go. $788. Amazing. Amazing. You got into ASST at 68. Okay, Rob. Okay, very nice. Let me take a look actually. So SMFL sold off all the way down to the abyss, but then found a way to still close about 205, which is interesting. And Coinbase is just pushing. Well, anyway, so ASST. Good morning, good morning. 68. So yeah, you're green in that position for now. That's nice. Yeah, just try not to go red. I would not let that thing go back below 70. Good job. Omega, you made $700 as well. What's the theme? How come everybody's making $700 on NXTP? Good job, Omega. Good job, good job. Well played. $700. Yeah, I don't know why YouTube has the hard thing on there. Green. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, well done, Jill. Well done, well done. Well done. Yeah, NXTP selling off, right? So obviously resistance. If you're still holding this thing, you want to make sure that it stays above 320. GMBL is unhalted and it's hitting $7 at the top of the supply zone. So yeah, the top of the supply. So Jill, which what would you say was the strategy of that play? Which of the plays did you use? Which of the strategies did you use? Because still in the support line at 0.051, I will have to look. I'll take a look in a second. Oh my goodness, look at that thing go GMBL. Dang. So pre-market high was $7.90. It's a nice double bottom. Right, so with these names again, it's not surprising to see them run because most people can't even sell them, right? And then they're also heavily shorted, and people, like, yeah, or you just can't short them, right? So then maybe people take advantage to cover and this and that. 755 and halted for GMBL. GMBL. Yes. SMFL looks like it's going to the abyss. ASST needs to, Robert needs to break above 77 cents. 77 cents. Richard, yes, good morning. What am I looking for though? Give me details. Give me details. La, 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 There we go. You just took an entry? Yeah. As RMCO, as long as it stays above the 60, that 60 and 70 range, yeah, I think you're fine. Right. So as long as you stay above 360, it is curling. Yes, you just have a downtrend there to compete with, though. So like right there and right there, resistance at 390. That's the problem you're gonna have to deal with. But then you have the support anywhere above 360 already. So and then ZVSA. Let's see, entry is 80 cents. It doesn't have any volume, Richard. It has zero volume, so there's not very much I can tell you about this one. Zero, right? So it looks okay on the daily chart. It might be a sympathy play to these splits because they've also done a split not too long ago, right? So just make sure you have a stop loss, have a plan, alrighty. But there's not a whole lot I can tell you though. It's sitting at support. It's right. It's not really doing anything. There are really no levels to look at except for like anywhere anything above 80, so 77 to 80 cents support, right? So other than that, there's nothing else really. RKBL, possible squeeze? No. RKLB. Rocket Labs is not one of those stocks I think can squeeze though because of the massive float. I think the float is something like 300 million, right? So that thing will not squeeze. It will move up though, like it has been, and it's been really constructive, right? So it looks really good actually, right? And it's testing brand new resistance levels at 575. Um, right, but will it squeeze? The answer is no, probably not. Yeah. Probably not. You played the breakout, Jill? Beautiful. 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 Love it. Love it. Love it, Jill. Right? So, again, if you're not a Gold member, Jill just made $700 on one of the strategies we talked about on a Gold membership level. Right? Jill just made $700 on one of the things we talked about, right? On a one-on-one, right? So my question is Jill's membership paid for? Yeah, the membership is paid for. Does Jill now have that knowledge to use on the next 100 plays? Yeah, she does, right? So again, every membership level pays for itself, right? It's one thing to like for us to talk about stuff on a stream like this. It's another thing to actually like ask questions on a one-on-one and be able to like see what's happening, right? So yeah, straight to jail. Straight to jail. So jail, congratulations, beautiful. Yeah, right. So again, every membership pays for itself. And run with whatever dash whatever cash you can collect. Yeah. I just opened my account up to see that you bought Hook at 97, 98. How did you buy 98 and hold overnight and not remember Ham? How did you do that? Yeah, exactly. So yeah, NXTP looks like it's trying to recover off 310, right? So yeah, again, for Christmas, you should buy yourself a Goats membership, and so if you're struggling, ask for help. Even if you're not asking for help from me, ask for help from people in the community. Alrighty, Richard, let's go. Thank you for the super chat, Richard. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. uh, no more. No more slacking at work, Richard. No more slacking. Okay. So thank you. Uh, let's go, Gio. That's a good way to go into the holidays, isn't it? I know you were feeling a bit to the downside, so I'm glad you're ending the holidays like that. Um, that's very good. So GMBL is unhalted, guys. My goodness, That thing pushed all the way to 820 and then halted down. It pushed and then got slapped hard, right? So if you sold that thing as soon as it unhalted, you're happy, right? So from 820, yeah. Uh, yeah. Anyways, la, 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 la. Let's go. Full stop, Alan. Let's go. Yeah, Alan and I had a one-on-one the other day because he was gone for a long time and then came back. So yeah, we had a good chat. And Alan had I like when people have lots of questions, lots and lots of questions. And yeah, yes, yes, yes. Anyways, yeah, no, NXT and NXTP is going back up there. So same resistance at 370. No, that's okay, Richard. That's okay. I appreciate that very much. Forget it. Forget about that. Keep making monies. Keep learning. Keep making monies. And then thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Alrighty. Have a wonderful holiday. And yeah. Yeah, I have lots of questions. Yes, you do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But no, like I do feel though, people that have lots of questions, um, do end up doing really well though, right? No. They've thought about things a lot. They're trying to learn everything that they need to learn, So I like when people have questions. Yeah. Anyways, na 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 na. 360. Are you selling yet, Greg? You're just kind of holding for now. Na, 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 na. Lots and lots of questions. Yeah, so 370. It almost looks like a triple top, doesn't it? So yeah. We'll be closing our trades out now for the long. So I expect things to fade the rest of the day. I'm done unless sends an alert. Sounds good, Yogi. Yeah, I is that a double top? Yes, it is. IGO. So 370 double tops. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Again, the closer we get to the end of the day, guys, yeah, the more cautious you should be. This one still seems like it has momentum. NXTP still seems to have that momentum, which is good. Maybe 1,000% for the day would be nice, but still, right? Just be careful as we get closer to the end. People are going to take time off, right? And we're definitely not going to be here all day, anyways. So we maybe have an hour left, and then we're going to hop off and go continue in Discord if something else shows up, right? So yeah, make sure you protect your monies. Do not today is one of those days that you should for sure not overtrade. Do not overtrade, please. And thank you. Please and thank you. Tomato vibes. Tomato rock as like it's gonna sell off, Justin. Tomato rock. Well, I mean, at some point it's gonna have to tomato rock. Tomato rock. SMFL guys. We broke below that 216 level, and the rest is history. Yes, yes, yes. Right. So we broke below that 216 level, and the rest is history. So I've said this multiple times, right? Sometimes when you're watching a stock, right, it will go below support, but that's not your biggest warning sign. When you're holding SMFL, right, your biggest warning sign isn't that, oh my goodness, we broke below support. Yeah, it's pretty bad, right? So like, let's say you have support right there. We know this is support. You want to try not to go below that level right there, right? The biggest red flag you can have on a stock is when it goes back up like this and that support immediately becomes resistance. You have a big problem. You have such a big problem. You have no idea, right? Because we've seen stocks go below support and then go back above, right? Like break down and then reclaim it easily, right? There's hope, right? When your stock goes back up though and does that, you have a problem. And then when it goes back down and creates a new low, you're finished. You're basically dead at this point, right? So we're now kind of testing pre-market double bottoms for SMFL at $1.88. So maybe watch $1.88. Yeah. Yeah, when you're breaking below support levels, you want to be very careful, right? So we're consolidating at a level, we're consolidating for a reason, right? So, That is known as rejection. Get used to it. It is known as rejection. Get used to it. Yeah, GMBL is unhalted. So yeah, it looks like we basically double topped pre-market high resistance and then came back down. Right. So yeah, NXTP is actually still chilling in there, so which isn't too bad. LDTC. Did we have this on the IPO list? I don't think we did we? I don't think so. Yeah, that thing broke about $4 and fives, and then boom skis. Wow, not bad. The volume is super light though, so be careful. But yeah, it's 93,000 shares. Stuff like that is always scary, you know. 1,000% sounds like a plan. NXTP. Yeah, we would need to break about 370 there and close above for anything more. For now, base case is double tops and sell off, right? So whenever we hit a double top, right, you immediately shift to okay, when sell off, and then if we can break out, then you're like okay, there's a chance, there's hope, right? So it's actually holding up quite well. Uh, uh, okay, sounds good. Okay, like a Christmas tree, you would love that, wouldn't you? Reach the star and sell. Where's the star though? That's the question, Greg. NCTP, NCTP, NCTP. I think NXTP. I don't know why that never registered, but no, you're $600 away, Peter, from getting it. Oh my goodness! Wow, Peter is gonna get it in one day, isn't he? Oh my goodness! I really hope you do, pizza. You la 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 la. Yeah, futures accounts. Pizza is a get it, pizza Abby. Hey, I beg oh, make sure you get it. So we can chop Christmas as if so I can say God has buttered your breads. Hey, pizza. You sabi? Okay. Um, la, 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 la. Paul is getting juicy. Yeah, with the spirits. I know, right? Yeah, Christmas. I think we had a Christmas thumbnail. I just didn't look this morning because I had other issues to deal with. But yeah, that would have been a good idea. Yeah, let me take a look at Paul. Paul. Hey, my name is don't laugh my pigeon no. Okay. Can you not see the space suit? Yeah, that's a nice push for Paul. Nice consolidation at 375. 370 boom skis. Ooh, nice. Double tops are $4 and 37 cents though. But yeah, that's a nice push. A nice push. La 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 la. Floating on the moon. They're floating. Uh, I'm visiting the buffaloes. That's very Native American of you. You remember the machine, Josh? That's what he's referring to. The buffalo machine in Vegas. La, la. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Remember? Yeah. Buffalo was such a scam. The Stampede, such a scam. How do you show resistance on TradingView? Marco the Millionaire. How do you show resistance? Resistance is just something that you have to mark on your chart, right? So, yeah. So I'm not quite sure what you mean by how do you see resistance. There's a video in Discord in the education channel that talks about how to find resistance. Um, it's a lot more than just showing it, right? So, yeah. Vegas shows you love. Yes. Yes, 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 it does actually. Yes, it does. Nemo, thank you very much, and see you next week. Have a wonderful time. See you next week. Alrighty. Na, 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 na. We can't meet during the holidays. Musty, were you guys planning on meeting? Musty and M. Anyways, oh, pizza! I'm yeah. You're very close. Like you're gonna do it, pizza. Wow! In a single day, that was the goal, wasn't it? Hmm. Okay, nice. Very nice. And the IPO channel E. Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's on the left hand side there for now. It seems like again the volume just isn't the best. That's the only problem. But yeah, it's done well though. 200%. Really? She's like, you don't take advantage of your perks. I was like, what perks? Now I know. Yeah, Josh, that's amazing. Oh wow, what perks? See, what perks are we talking about? Oh my goodness. I want to know. So, the nun, huh? Wow, interesting. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. There you go. Wow. Oh my goodness, you're not helping this, Josh. Not helping. Not helping at all. La, 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 la. Uh, I use my driver. The green. Is that a that's a golf reference? It's still a. Anyways, nice little double bottom at $3 there, Greg, for NXTP. So yeah, we kind of missed that double bottom at $3 actually. Oh well, whatever. Right. So nice little pivot off the double bottom of the 50. The bottom of the demand zone 306. Um, hmm, interesting. Okay. Not trying to change the subject or anything. Uh huh. Sure. Resistance at 340 there for NXTP. So yeah, we're dropping a bit there with that IPOE. So $6. GMBL no exception, right? Double top $8 basically, and Dipskis 650 and halted down. Halted down. SMFL. I think we kind of talked about this double bottom circle area at 186. It's been holding. It just doesn't have the vibes anymore to go on to want to push, right? Troy, hey yo, good morning, good morning. Merry Christmas. Mm. Interesting. A ton of activity still. Yep. I mean, you have a really good entry anyway, so you're in a better position to deal with the dips. So as long as we're creating double bottoms or higher lows on NXTP, you're fine, right? So you're okay there. If we break below $3 though, Greg, you might have a problem already. So don't go diamond handing this into the holidays because you're seeing activity already. Don't go diamond handings. Na 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 na. Oli, what are you chopping over the holidays? What are you having? Nuevas, what are you having? I'm asking because you guys are all from Nigeria, so I'm just asking. The village people. What are you guys having for the holidays? 3 days. 3 days. Let me know. So yeah, 340 resistance for NXTP, Greg. Ready? Yeah, so for sure, don't go diamond handing unless it stays above $4 or $5. Okay, unless it gets there and it stays there. Yeah, $3. Josh says, "All right, worthless goats. It's that time. Merry Christmas to you all. May your homes be blessed with joy and love. May God lay His hands upon you and bring peace to your heart. Much love, Hot Trades fam. Josh, may God continue to bless you as well, with prosperity and peace and everything else. Alrighty. Have a wonderful Christmas. Say hi to Rachel. Wish her a Merry Christmas as well, and Munchkin, and we'll chat in Discord. Alrighty. Yeah. Pizza. Well done. Yeah, Josh. Merry Christmas. And yeah, yeah. Christmas. Pizza. Good job. Good job. Good job. And for the holidays, we have crime, crime and shootings. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Merry Christmas, Josh. See you in Discord. Jeff, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas. South Florida. Peppermint, pepper pot, and homemade bread. Sounds delicious. That sounds delicious. Merry Christmas, Jan. Yeah, we're gonna be here for a little bit longer, and then we're gonna hop off and call it a yeah, call it a yeah. I think yeah, we have like 50 minutes left. 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Yeah, let's do 50 minutes, and then we're done skis already. Let's do 50 minutes, and then we can go. Yeah, pole looks nice on the right hand side actually. Yeah. You know what I like? I like the retest of $4, 408. So you need those candles to close about 435. Alrighty, it does seem kind of slow, doesn't it? And the spread is a bit ridiculous. for stock of that. Yeah, it looks like that candle failed. Yep, failed. So needs to close. It needs to close above $4.35. And let's go to Nestis. You as well. You as well. Please and thank you. 447. Okay. Oh wow. That thing said screw resistance. Screw resistance. Uh, yeah. Yeah, POL is bumping there. 460, Trisha. Let me see then. We're having oven turkey gravy, sprouts, glazed carrots, brown sugar ham, and some other stuff. That sounds beautiful, Dan. That sounds amazing. Oh my goodness. Turkey. Turkey, turkey. Mashed potatoes are so good. I think that's the only thing that I like about a Thanksgiving dinner, or like a meal. So good. So damn good. Oh wow. Pole is on fire there. Pole is halted up. What happened? Breakout. Breakouts, dead jail. Breakouts. $4.35. And then Gonskis. 435. Baby food. Roast potatoes all day. Roast potatoes. Yeah, no, I like mashed for sure. Mashed potatoes. Um, with cookies onto Christmas Eve when they suspiciously go missing, along with the milk in your fridge. Thank you very much, Troy. Thank you very much. You did 420, Doug. Let's go. Look at that. Congratulations, beautiful. Right, so it's halted up. Hopefully that thing stays on halt above $5. And like I said, I would try not to go back below 485. So keep that stop loss tight. Alrighty. So keep that stop loss tight, please and thank you. Uh, oh my goodness, you really need to go visit Musty, don't you? You're in love with Musty. You're in love with Musty. I don't know if Musty's in love with you though. Musty, M is in love with you. So, Wes, yeah, don't hesitate with that. Just sell it if it goes back down. That's the problem. Musty is playing hard to get. Musty just give in. Get a room. Get a room. Unbelievable. Musty's hiding now. Anyway, so yeah, pole is halted. NXTP needs to stay above that 3,305 level already, and it has a chance of giving us that 1,000% run. Yeah, yeah, pole broke out, right? So, yep, your breakout was all the way down there, right? I mean, you could honestly use any of these candles. You could use any of these candles in this area, anywhere from 425 to 435. You could use that as a breakout. Any of them, right? So I've mentioned this a few times, mostly on the one-on-one, I think, right? When we say breakout, like it doesn't necessarily mean we have to go break the tippity tops, right? So like if we're failing more so around this area, that level becomes very important. If we can't seem to close any candles above that area, this area becomes very important, right? And then boom skis for pole. So also lock your windows in front door, Musty. Where's Musty? Musty is not no comments from Musty. No comments. Okay, perfect. Sounds good, Josh. Sounds good. At some point, schedule a na 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 na. Okay, I'm gonna have to add her to the one-on-one list. Dunsky's. No, no, no. At calendar to there you go. ASST by GME. Okay, I'll take a look. Yeah, ASST. Yeah, GMBL is losing all the gains. That's the danger of playing with these names. I mean, you should expect that today of all days, anyways, right? So expect that today, right? Things will sell off as people start planning on leaving. So with a name like GMBL that is just a low flow that doesn't have a catalyst, be very careful. Yeah, that was a really good entry, by the way, Robert. Very good entry, right? So yeah, it looks really good. Your entry at 70, 70. What was it, 70, 68, 68, yeah, right? So your entry at 68 is looking very good now because we're at the highs of the day, right? Your next resistance is 87 cents. So just keep moving that stop loss higher and higher and higher and higher, right? Just keep moving it up and you should be good to go. Buy GME. Hopefully you're in it as well. Exactly, exactly, Hugh. It's Friday. It's not just a Friday. It's a long weekend. It's not just a long weekend. It's Christmas. So there are quite a few things to make people want to take profits on these stocks. So if you're diamond hunting stuff and it crashes on you, you will have lots of wahala in your life, big, big wahala. Um, anyways, Mullen is down 18%. Like in the village, Mullen is what they call Nyash, right? Mullen is Nyash. So there's no hope for Mullen. Let's go. Anyways, cookies? No, I don't need any cookies for holidays. I don't need any cookies. There goes 87 for ASST. Beautiful. Beautiful, Robert. So I don't know if you're selling or if you're just watching for now, but yeah, this level is a breakdown from pre-market. Stewart, yeah, always, 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 always. Those dudes love us, love us. I don't know if there's any. I don't know if there's anybody else that makes them as much money as Stewart, but whatever, whatever. Na 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 na. They love us. Let's see. He's about to kick butts, KB. Yeah, again, so you have resistance at 87 cents, so just be mindful. At the open, thing is a monster. That thing just runs and runs, damn. Just goes and goes. POL is still halted, by the way. But yeah, like Coinbase is just something else. Shut up with the alerts. Coin. Coinbase has really benefited from the markets pumping, from crypto pumping. It's been double dipping. Double dipping. So 177 is new 52-week highs. Wow, what a beauty. 168. Yeah, 160, 168, and then all the way to 177. Sheesh. Yeah, those calls would be smiling right now, Dan. Smiling. Uh, la, la, and this is one of the reasons. La, 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 la. Let's go. I'll go on the schedule soon. Appreciate it. Let's go. My goodness, we have the not wahala. We don't want wahala, OKB. You don't want wahala. Okay. KB, why? Oh my goodness. KB, where you from? You have to let me know now. Because the way you're laughing at that. Na, 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 na. Okay, send this over. Pizza, how close? Busy sending 500. Wait, so you're $100 away, Peter? No, really? You're gonna do it? Let's go. And then as soon as you're done with that one, okay, you're $500 away from getting it. Okay, okay, okay. Pizza. Okay, $500. Okay, $500 away. Fire. I'm excited for you to get it. I only hope though that you don't. Pole is on hold. Said, oh my goodness, look at Pole go. Pole is gone skis. So for anybody that FOMOed into the breakout on Pole, congratulations, because that thing is gone. 28%, not just 28% though. That's a nice run. Wow. Well, he said $500 more, so I thought he made $500 more, right? And continuing on Monday pizza. Yeah, maybe you should. Maybe you should, or maybe it's just the way. Yeah, maybe you should, or maybe just set $50 stop losses pizza. Yeah, because if you take a $500 loss, that's gonna suck, or 400, that's gonna suck. So maybe just uh, Peter wants to continue. Anyways, oh my goodness, look at Paul go. Yeah, anything you do, pizza, just make sure you have a really tight stop loss. That's it, right? So that's a very nice run, 38%. Do you guys see why we love breakouts? See why? That was a breakout right there. West New was a breakout, right? So that breakout above $4 and 30 something, 430, let's call it 430, right? 430 to 530, that's a big run. So it's a 570, 575. I'm sitting, yeah, isn't it tempting though? You're very close to the finish line. And now the question is, do you keep going? I mean, Peter, as long as you see the same setups you're playing with and it's working, why stop? Right? Why stop if it's working? So, but maybe if you take $100 loss, then just stop. If you take a small loss pizza, just stop. $50, $100, just call it. Because I think you've done too much. I think you're over trading for sure. Over trading, no question about it. But definitely over trading. So safe. What's your position in SYRS? Let me know. Give me details. There goes 590 for pole. Oh my goodness, 46%. It's running like it did the. It's running like it did the earlier this week, right? Dang. I'm surprised it hasn't been halted again. Nope, it's halted. 591 halted. So congratulations if you're in poll. Wow. If you're in poll, type in yes in the chat if you're in this one. Na 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 na. La 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 la. Okay, bye. La la la. Yeah. You got enough. Yeah, you got four. Okay, so SY. I'll take a look in a second here. Even pizza makes money. Well, pizza is still yeah. Yeah, Doug, five. You got out at 560. Congratulations. There's nothing wrong with that. It's halted up. You'd almost expect it to keep going up, but that's okay. Congratulations, Doug. That's a very nice way to end the holidays. A very nice way to end the holidays. Okay, let me go back down there actually. Yeah, I'm surprised we're getting all these beautiful runs today. Beautiful runs. NXTP is selling off, guys. Don't think that's a big surprise, right? We talked about double top, double top, double top, right? So lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. That's a problem. So the only hope here is that we maybe consolidate, or it's not. It's not. Look at that thing fall like a tomato, right? So, yeah, tomato rock. This is like someone dropping a watermelon from the top of the building. Splats, splash, bridge, red. Anyway, so yeah, the warning signs were there though, right? So warnings, and if we're breaking down below support, it's not a massive surprise, right? So this is almost the same thing as SMFL, isn't it? Right? We knew there was support for SMFL right there. Look at that consolidation right there, right? What happens when you go below? Ooh, we to the bridge, right? So it's done a good job holding this demand zone though at $1.85, which isn't too bad. Um, but then NXTP has done the same thing, right? Consolidated double bottoms right there. When it goes below that level, people panic, right? People panic. Coinbase doesn't care about resistance. Coinbase thinks resistance is like the is the challenge. That's what you're supposed to break above. It doesn't have resistance. No resistance at all. Paywall curling. Okay, CDTX. Okay, sounds good. ASST hit that resistance like we talked about at 87 cents. Not a massive surprise from the pre-market high. Double top basically, right? And then came back to 78. So not a huge surprise. I bet you buy calls now, Dan, and that those things still print. You know. Okay, let me take a look at S. Was it SYRS? And you bought in at 450. You're saying, "Ooh, beautiful! Congratulations, safe. Yeah, it looks good." Your question again is what? Where's resistance? Is that $6.50 all the way left? Yeah, that's $6.50. I mean, that thing's had such a beautiful run. You might want to start thinking of like moving a stop loss a lot higher, or at least taking some profits off the table, or just selling half and whatnot. So that's a nice play though. I came back to 78 and stopped you out. That's annoying. ASST, yeah, yep. It's the retest. Always a retest. Reverse head and shoulder formation bullish on MSAI. MSAI. You're welcome, safe. Yeah, no, your entry is really good. You're in some really nice profits. Yep, good job. I can kind of see what you're looking at, Justin. It's gonna need some volume to come in though at some point. NXTP is falling like somebody took its cookies away and it's throwing a tantrum on the floor. What do you see on BTBT, Frank? What do I see? When I look into your eyes, all I see is your waist. That's a Nigerian lyric, by the way, so don't judge me. It looks. I see Boomskis. It looks good. It's up 10%. Right. This is another crypto name. This is one of the cheapest crypto miners, right? So BTBT. So it looks really good. So that's a smaller time frame though. Even if I look at a bigger time frame, it still looks good. So not that you should go buy it. You don't help yourself with comments like that. Your 400. There's let's go, Peter. Keep doing those small scalps. Oh my goodness, Peter's so close. I hope you get there before we end the stream, Peter. I hope you get there. So as you go higher, Peter, if you lose $100, just walk away. You know, Peter's so close, so damn close. Yeah, your downfall has been you've done this so well, Peter, with like scalping those small scalps. Your only downfall is the big losses. Like you get like the random big loss, and then you're done, right? So yeah. Also, if it's pumping and pumping and pumping, it's gonna dip at some point. So yeah. Anyways, pole is unhalted, guys, and pole hit $6, 6.25, 6.35 actually. What a run! What's a run for pole? Yeah, that was a nice run. Pending, accept. Beautiful. One. And just for fun. That's amazing. I mean, pole is on fire. It's going. It's hitting new highs. 40, 42, 65, 42. That's beautiful. Amazing. Na, 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 na. That's amazing. Uh, uh, Lynn, shutting water out the entire house. Oh my goodness, that's a. There you go. Yeah, Paul said, you know what? We take all the monies. Yeah, today would be the day for those losses. Yeah. Yeah. When we get to lunchtime, be very careful. Be very, very careful, please. What a beautiful run, though. My goodness. We never talked about this one, actually. Save. Again, if you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, I would really appreciate it if you could take a second and smash a like. Hit the like. This is Christmas likes. So smash a like. Smash a like. Wow. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot. Become a member. Come join us in Discord already. So yeah. Already. Peter was on his knees again. Oh, let's go, Peter. Oh my goodness. See, uh, it would be nice if you got there in before, but yeah. And if you don't get there today, then that's okay. You're very close, right? So just don't take a big loss. Smashed it. Happy holidays, Bernie. Thank you very much. Happy holidays as well. Happy holidays. Insert spit gif. What time is the Aston Villa plays today? Aston Villa. There goes a poll with the Dipski, right? So like volatility to a different level today. Yeah, so Aston Villa plays at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. And then there's games tomorrow at 5:30 a.m. BUT. Goals on goals on goals. Hugh. Yeah, 3.5 hours. Hat trick. Actually, he's gonna score 4 today. Why? Because why not? It's Christmas. Can you tell? What am I telling? Can you tell? Anyways, yeah, pole is dipping. I mean, when you see a massive run like this on pole, guys, you should not be surprised that we're hitting a supply zone and coming back down. right? Yeah. Come on, please tell us, Ryan. I don't know what I'm supposed to tell. Can you tell? Yes. And NXTP looks like it's consolidating off 275 and then bouncing, so that's good. Sneezy, 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 sneezy. Uh, that's what Lynn is doing. You out. You out of it. Good job. Good job, Justin. Good jobs. I know. I know. Christmas. It really does. I hate early captaincy. I thought about that, but I was like, not about to not captain a good captain because last time we did that, actually Salah came through with captaincy early, right? So, but then again, it's Salah. Salah's the goats, the goats, the goats of Christmas. Good job, Justin. Yeah, no. So if you're holding NXTP, you need that thing to stay above $2.75. If not, Santa will not visit you. You're gonna get a knock on the door, and it's gonna be the Grinch, and he's gonna take you to the North Pole to not to do nice things though, to become an elf for Santa. Well, actually not for Santa, but I don't know where I'm going with this story. So let's move on. Anyways, our poll is halted down. Surprise! Right. So, yep. Sell, 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 sell. Dipskis. Na, na, na. Na, na, na. Don't ruin my Christmas with your stories. Okay, fine. Makes you all the emotions, doesn't he? No, I mean, like I brought in Salah for Haaland, so that should tell a story. And I've captained him more than anybody else, so Salah's definitely been the saver of my fantasy. My yeah. So in 2023, you introduced me to the Island Boys. For that, I will always be grateful. You're absolutely welcome, M. Because I'm an island boy. I'm just trying to make it. Remember when the Island Boys were spamming BBIG? Isn't that crazy? They made a rap about BBIG. Silliness, silly, silly, silliness, silliness. Yeah. Na 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 na. uh, I wish for broken legs and red cards on weekends. I know you can't really enjoy sports anymore. Virus. Yeah, we have like 20 minutes left, and then we're gonna hop off. Merry Christmas, Virus. To all. Time to go spend time with in nature. Please, Virus, if you can stay away from snakes, if you can stay away from snakes, I would really appreciate that, Virus. I mean, the alligators, maybe, sure, from afar you can take pictures, but stay away from the snakes. Please, 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 please. Merry Christmas, Virus. Have a wonderful time with and the family. Alrighty. More blessings to you. I really appreciate your support and on and whatnot. Much love. Alrighty. More blessings, more vibes, more winds, more sunlight, more sunlight. Let's go. They didn't believe in us, virus. God did. Um, John, VLCN, I will take a look. Let's go, CM, my fellow Canadian. A Merry Christmas to you, and have a great holiday with those you love. Let's go, CM. Have a wonderful holiday as well. Much love. We will chat in Discord already. Uh, yeah, actual snakes. So Virus went on this walk because he goes to nature every single day. Virus has beautiful pictures, by the way, beautiful pictures. And then he sends me a picture. He sends me two pictures, right? One picture is a damn bird on the tree holding a snake. Okay, I'm like, what the hell? How did you capture that? And why are you even beside it? Why? Why? And then Virus sends me another picture. It's a snake, and it's not that far away from him, and he's taking pictures of the snake's damn eyes. So every time Virus says, "Oh, I'm going for a run in nature. I'm going out for nature," he's out in the middle of nowhere taking pictures. The damn bird was holding a snake. Oh my goodness. La 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 la. Take small. Uh, Let me send you this video actually. Na, 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 na. Recent. So unhalted here for POL. We have unhalted. So, na, 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 na. Yes. No, no, what's on the scanner, POL? Okay, cool. Yeah. No, again, guys, like I cannot stress how important it is that you take small losses. Alrighty, take small losses. We keep playing all these like little losses videos and this and that. It's because it's very important, right? We talked about it on the podcast, not a podcast, a video from the weekend, right? I played that video yesterday that talked about taking small. This one, I'm gonna play this video again.
Trading is about probabilities. The truth is, if you're going to become a consistently profitable trader, you're going to have to become a really good loser. In fact, really cherish your losses, about being able to maintain small losses rather than having something exaggerate and go ballistic on you. So ultimately, what you're going to have to do to be able to become an elite trader, consistently profitable, is you're going to have to change your perception about winning and losing. And in here, the very first thing is most people get into trading because they think, oh my God, I can have personal financial freedom, and I can also have this personal freedom of being able to do what I want to do. And they don't realize that, yes, that's true. Trading does offer that opportunity, but what most people don't tell you is that you're going to have to change the way the brain interacts with uncertainty to be able to do that. And friends, very few do that. Most just think, I'm going to try harder, work harder. But that's not the way it works. So what we're getting here is this, is that you're hardwired in a way that's going to cause you not to be able to perform well under pressure with capital at risk in trading.
Yep. Become a really good loser, right? I mean, like, so that's another video that said it, right? And here's another screenshot that says the same thing. There's a reason why there's a reason why this is all over the place, right? This is a random screenshot from the interwebs, right? You know, especially he adopted living in the shadows. We were born in it. Yes, that is true, right? The whole secret to winning big in the market is not to be right all the time, but to lose the least amount possible when you're wrong, right? So we're just I sound like a broken record now, don't I? But there's a reason why it's all over the place, all over the place, all over the place. Take your loss, right? Because a lot of you guys win, a lot of you guys win. But then the thing that screws you up is I won, but then I took a big loss the next day. Don't do that, right? You know, don't do that. Take a small loss and move on. If you're playing, I bet you most of the time, if you buy at support and it breaks below support, get rid of it. Take your $100 and move on. If you buy a breakout and it's not really a breakout, take your monies and run, right? So, because when it does work, you get paid nicely, nicely, right? So don't be a diamond hander, please. Let's see. Oh, there's a podcast for NXU. Oh my goodness, Musty, you're digging into this, aren't you? Sure. I mean, like I said earlier, with the circle at the bottom there, Jay, you think it's breaking out? Yeah, it looks good, right? Double bottom in the demand zone, 185. So as long as it stays above that level, it's fine, right? So at this point, though, I would want it to stay above $1.95 if I was in it. Your next resistance is 208. Yeah, take the L before you take the W. Take the L. Take a small L. Growing pains are inevitable. Yeah, absolutely. Right. So, yeah. Nana, you think it's yeah? There you go. I think I answered your question. I'm not leaving. Let me take a look at NXU. Yes. Where's the next breakout for VL? Some yeah. When you lose small. Exactly. Exactly. So next resistance for this one, I think you said you got in at 7 cents, right? So the one good thing about this is that you bought almost at the bottom, John. So that's good. In terms of resistance, yeah, I don't think we're going to see it on the daily, but your next resistance is right here, right? 10 pennies, 10 cents. Alrighty, so 10 cents. If you can break above 10 cents and close above that level, then that's good. But for now, you're sitting right at resistance until it breaks and closes above that level. It's resistance. POL seems to be consolidating a bit at 525. Interesting. Interesting. SMFL, yeah, still curling. NXTP still falling like a tomato rock, but coming off the 200 there, maybe. Let's see here. Oh yeah, I see why. Uh, Troy, you're signing off now? Okay, sounds good. Have a wonderful holiday as well. That thing said nope. That thing said nope. Nope. Let's see if that was a liquidity grab candle actually. You're welcome, John. You're welcome. That was interesting. CDIO, yeah, that was a liquidity grab. Liquidity grab, yeah, that was a liquidity grab candle. Actually, I think that timing might have been perfect. Actually, that might have been good timing. 255s, okay. Come on, we want to see rallies. We want to see rallies. We want to see rallies. No, that's just because I'm taking screenshots. Give us a bit more. Give us a bit more. You want 260? Give me another yeah, 260. Interestingly enough, resistance. Yeah. I mean, we hit 258, 259 almost. So we know that resistance is 260. Can we break it down and go boomskis? The goodies. The goodies. Come on, give us one last push. Let's sign up with a nice little rally on this one. With a nice little rally on this one. I'll come back to that POL. Yeah, POL has done a good job holding 525. SMFL still slowly curling. Slowly curling. I see, yeah. Na, 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 na. Oh, no, no, no. Let's see. Yeah, it's winter. Well, actually, no, it's not winter. They most likely have nicer weather than we do. Jody, Christmas already sounds good. Merry Christmas to you as well. We shall see you next week. See you next week. Alrighty. See you next week. They what now? D watts now? 260, there you go. There's your 260, right? So 260 resistance. 45s. Let's see if we can get a little bit more under that though. Let's see. I see. Oh yeah, for Greg, yeah, no, Greg is in a really good position. Mullen is 22% red. Honestly, well, not really. Like, I don't think anybody in the chat is surprised that Mullen is crashing. Not a single person. Mullen is nyash, trash. So we were hoping Mullen would hold up so we could get puts. That's it. That's really just it. So yeah. Mullen is trashing. Mullen is yeah. Now you're waiting for NXTP. I see. Come on, give us a bit more here. Give us a bit more. Nope, slacker. So maybe that's all we get. Again, we know this resistance at 260, so that's not a big surprise. You just hope sometimes you break above that level, right? So maybe we go back for a double bottom now. We shall see. We shall see. I'd like for it to stay above 250 at least. At least. And then again, so you want to make sure you stay above the 200. Alrighty? Stay above the 200. Stay above the 200. Come on, we need one last run, guys, before we sign off. One more, one more. 257. We're approaching lunchtime too, so hopefully it's not too slow. But uh, I think Mullen will go down as one of the biggest fraud jobs in the history of the market. Probably. Man, I would have liked to get puts on that stupid stock. Those things never updated, did they, Dan? I don't think so, right? Those puts. These guys knew exactly what they were doing. Pump it and short it. Nobody else gets in except for the market makers, criminals. Might be Nicola. There are a lot of frauds. As the day goes on, people leaving. I think so too, Dan. So we're gonna hop off in a bit, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We'll hop off, and then if anything shows up, we're gonna be in Discord anyways. But yeah, hoping for curl. Okay. Yeah. Mullen CEO is next to go to jail. Honestly, if you watched that Mullen interview on whatever the show was, Nicola, if you watched that interview, hit resistance. Oh wow, it did again, Bill. Oh wow, that's actually nice. Come on, NXTP, give us a rally here. We want boom skis. Then we can say, okay, fine, we can leave. We want rally. We want rally. Yeah, if you watched that Mullen CEO interview and there wasn't red flags all over the place. Oh lordy, have mercy. The dude could not answer a single question about the company and why they were doing what they were doing. Why are you not selling cars? I don't know. Here we go. Come on, give us 260. We want rallies. We want boom skis. We want rallies. We keep failing at that 260 level, which is okay though. Okay, here we go. Come on. Now we're retesting the 20. Retesting the 20. We want Bill. Yeah, probably. I guess is on break point for 345. I mean, 345 is pretty damn high. It's not even able to break above 260 and stay above 260, right? So you have other issues. Yeah. So your problem isn't that price. La, la, la. Mhm. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Give us the boom skis. Give us the boom skis. 261. Give us more. Give us more. I want to see a fat green candle, guys. Fat green candle. Nope, it's still failing at the 20 EMA. Pretty annoying. Pretty annoying. Yeah, that moving average is going to become an obstacle. Obstacle. Anyways, we'll see. So if you're holding that, make sure you move your stop loss up already. At no point do you want this thing going below the 200 because then it's going to give you problems. 38 trucks, Kevin. Can you believe that? Who sells 38 trucks? And then they're like, we need to put on. Yeah. It took a year to make 38 trucks. Unbelievable. Yeah, so have a wonderful holiday as well. Justin, Merry Christmas to you as well. Alrighty. Enjoy. Thank you, Justin. Thank you. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, M. Happy holidays. I'm gonna give this thing like a few more candles, and then we're gonna leave. I want to see what it does here at this 20. It's the 20 verse to 9 is what I'm watching now. So 20 verse 9. Just give us a rally already. Now it's looking weaker. For sure. Looking weaker. Here we go. Come on. Just give it to us already. Just give it to us already. Give us the boomskis. My goodness, that 20 is such an obstacle. $9, Wes? Okay. Let me give this a second and then I'll take a look. Here we go. Come on. Just send it. Just send it. My goodness. Here we go. Just send it already. Just send it already. Give us 270. Just send it already. Merry Christmas, Steve. Street Vibes. Keep doing the great work. See you next week. Merry Christmas to you as well. And yeah, have a wonderful holiday. I will see you next week. Come on, give us more, please. Give us more. Where's that boomski candle, guys? Where's the boomski candle? Give us more. This is not enough. The people want holiday presents. Do I think this is a decent entry for? Do I think this is a decent entry? Nope. Nope. I think at this point you're taking a bigger risk than you should be. I posted the entry that I wanted already in the Legend channel, Wes, HT signal. So that's the entry I wanted. For now, again, it looks good. It's trending up if you're in it already, but alrighty. Joe, Merry Christmas to you and the family. See you in Discord. Alrighty. Much love. Just give us the damn breakout already. Just the damn breakout. Anyways, if you if you're holding that, yeah, just be mindful that we might struggle at 270 there, just because it's a nice little psychological wall. Merry Christmas booming. So if we can break 270, that would be good. That would be good. I need to delete some of these actually. Yeah, so it looks like we hit 270 and then now we're backing off. So, yep. So that might have been a nice little scalp. But like I said, Wes, right? You're taking a bigger risk than you should be, especially today of all days, right? Today would be a like if you're buying stuff like that, when it's hitting these little levels, it's not a massive scalp, but still, whatever. Yeah, no, congratulations, John. VLCN looks good above 10 cents. So if it can stay above 10 cents, that would be good. Alrighty, ALT, testing $9. That's a nice little run. A nice little run. Anyways, Merry Christmas, Stuart. Blessed Christmas with your loved ones. Oh, Joe? Oh, Joe? Yeah, yes. I thought you were saying Merry Christmas like you're leaving. So 270 and then we're backing off, right? So you can almost just watch the same level again if you want to. I was hoping for more from that scalp, but you can never pick how much you get from a scalp, right? So anyways, moving on. MNTS Musty. I mean, the volume is quite good. The volume is quite good, Musty. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. It's always interesting when a stock is sitting at support and it gets more than the average volume on a day that it's really not moving. Always interesting. So yeah, we'll see. Wait for it. I mean, you're better off just setting an alert for $2, Mustard, than waiting for this thing. Yeah. In this channel, the bouncing of 715. Yeah, when these stocks go crazy, Wes, it's always nice to keep track of them and keep track of the levels, right? So AMC to 650. Yeah, I think you're gonna need Santa to really come to get AMC to 650. You're gonna need a Christmas miracle. I can give you that. Oh my goodness, Em. Wow, 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 wow. So for if you're still holding NXTP, make sure you get a higher low, right? If that thing goes below the 200, you're done skis, right? So again, might have been a 270 resistance. D says, could you please tell my wife, Michelle, how beautiful and amazing she is? Absolutely. Michelle, you are absolutely beautiful and amazing. Keep fighting. And you are in my thoughts and prayers. Um, Praying for a Christmas miracle already. And already amazing. So and I'll get the we'll get the chat to spam you some hearts, Michelle. Alrighty. So again, send some hearts in the chat, please, and thank you guys. Michelle is going through some stuff. Dee's wife. So it would be so send us some hearts in the chat. Alrighty. So already 54. Some hearts. Yes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let's go. Yeah. La, 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 la. Let's go. Thank you all very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, no, she's been going through a tough time. And the family's been going through a tough time. So, yeah. Uh, Jeff, thank you very much. Merry Christmas. Enjoy your time with family. Take care. Reflect on the gift of our Savior. Thank you very much, Jeff. Enjoy your time with the family as well, with the kids. Merry Christmas to you and the family. Thank you all very much. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go, D. Let's go. La, 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 la. Alrighty, guys. I think we call it a day. Maybe a second retest to the 200 if we can bounce off it, but you need that consolidation. So sell off, sell off. So I mean, other than POL that's bouncing off that demand zone, which is pretty nice, of $5 and retesting $6. That's pretty impressive, actually. Pretty impressive. Nice curlies. What I hate on candles like this though is actually that wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad at all. Cool. Anyways, yeah, resistance on POL at $6. May the road to let's go. May the win. Happy holidays, Jeff. That's amazing. Happy holidays to you as well. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, John. JYG. I know that thing is so rubbish. So rubbish. Alrighty, all. Yeah, absolutely, Dan. Absolutely. Mohammed, talk to you later. Absolutely. Like I tell you, like it's one thing to read the names in the chat, and like have fun with people, but I tell you, like people go through, like not in the market, but like personal life wise, people go through some really tough times, and you would never know because these people are amazing and they seem so fun in the chat, but people go through some tough times. everybody does, like at some point in their life. But yeah, it's thank you very much, Jay. Have a wonderful and joyful holiday as well. Thank you. Ryan, thank you very much. With had to tune in into with let's go, Jeff. Absolutely. Hugh, Merry Christmas. Enjoy time with the boys. Enjoy. May you good time surrounded by loved ones. Absolutely. That's the wish for everybody, right? Peace and happiness. Absolutely. Because you never know what tomorrow brings, Sham. Yeah, you really never know what people go through, honestly. You really never know. You really never know. Let's go, Josh. Dan, let's go, Dan. You've been wishing everyone a wonderful Christmas. Be safe and love to you all. Dan, I say same to you, honestly, Dan. You're an absolute godsend as well. Um, I not even kidding one bit. I really appreciate your support always, Dan. So Merry Christmas to you and the wife. Tell her thank you, like I said earlier, for giving you the time, and not chaining you to the radiator and giving you the time to come hang out with us. I Merry Christmas, Dan. You at some point I'm gonna play that song that you made already, your Christmas song, and it's gonna be vibes. Alrighty, Dan. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. You should all throw a game. Jeff, I don't need help, Today I'm about to start crushing it. Happy holidays to you as well, Josh. Enjoy. Bernie, Merry Christmas. Enjoy. Richard, much love. Na, 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 na. Let's go, Stuart. All the best for you. Enjoy your quality time with loved ones. Nobody knows what tomorrow is around the corner. Live in the moment, Stuart. Beautiful, absolutely. So enjoy time with the family as well, Stuart. Merry Christmas. I will see you in Discords for fantasy already. Merry Christmas, Stuart. Sham, Merry Christmas to you as well. Let's go. Denial. No denials, Jeff. No denial. Sham, Merry Christmas. Enjoy time with friends and family as well. Ready? Much love, Jeff. Goodbye. So much, Jose. So much what? Mushy stuff. Anyways, Paul is bouncing off the 9 and pushing back up. Merry Christmas, Bill. Thank you very much. Enjoy time with the family, and we'll see you in Discord. See you next week. See you next week for the for one-on-ones as well. Ooh, that's interesting. Interesting. So much love here. I rather, yeah. There is. Yes, there is. Like the times that Dan isn't roasting me, it's or instigating the roast. Dan is gone now, so we can roast him. He's gone now. So big feet Dan. Anyways, yeah. La la la, amazing in la 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 to have you found this group. Take care and stay safe. Let's go, Josh. Have a wonderful time as well. Merry Christmas. See you next week. Merry Christmas, Lori. 2024 will be exciting. Let's win more, Lori. Let's win more. Alan, Merry Christmas to you. Buying the 100. Don't do it, Alan. Don't do it. How to read the algo, Sham? Yeah, there are lots of videos in Discord, and then you can also always ask for help or schedule a call, right? Already? Let's go. Millionaires loading, Stuart. Let's crush it. Let's crush it. I'm excited for 2024. Actually, excited. Lots of things to be excited about, though. To be fair, but yeah, the market is should be exciting. Na, 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 na. Here we go. Already. Hmm. 6, 27. Isn't that impressive? Mera is a gem, an absolute gem. $27 for Mera. Dang. Solana millionaires. That would be amazing. Amazing. Of course. Of course. Of course. Of course. Um, okay, perfect. Alrighty, I think we should be good to go, guys. If anything else shows up, we will be in Discord, but expect us to be slacking. Alrighty. So, oh yeah. Merry Christmas, everybody. Spend time with the family. Live in the moment, like Stuart said. And we will catch you guys next week. And then we're going to be celebrating the end of the year, right? So, thank you all very much for an amazing. Thank you, Omega. Happy holidays. Wes, Merry Christmas. Humble, Merry Christmas. Thank you, Frank. Righty. Thank you all very much for the support. And let's keep crushing it. Richard, hugs. Let's go. Merry Christmas. Alrighty, y'all. Stuart, bye bye. See you in Fantasyland. See you on Tuesday, Dan. See you on Tuesday. Don't eat too much, Dan. I know, like, don't eat too much, okay? Like, I know you're ready to eat some turkey and gravy, but don't eat too much, please. Don't boss me. you know. So we need you ready and good. Not sleeping in on Tuesday, please, because you ate too much of it all over the weekend. The man does deserve it. Yes, he does. Let Dan feast like a king. Yeah, to be fair, everybody's gonna be eating our RS. Thank you. All the best to you as well. Don't boss me. I mean, the reason I say that is because Dan has 8 eggs for breakfast. 8 eggs for breakfast. Can you imagine how much enjoying Dan is going to be doing over the how dare he? Aston Villa. Oh yeah, I'm ready for that. That's the next thing on the schedule, Hugh. There's nothing else. It's to watch the game, so I'm ready. I'll be watching every second of the game. Uh, so for all the eating, yeah, I'm gonna be eating. If I don't show up on Tuesdays because I ate too much at home, I'm hoping for Bailey destruction. Watkins, 4 goals. Bailey, 3 goals. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine? Mm-mm. Yes, I can. More fats? Damn, you almost triple captain? Oh, wow. Okay. Well, that would be the fixture to triple captain. Well, maybe not a double, but yeah. Yep. Yep, yep. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, I think we should leave it here. Otherwise, we're gonna keep chatting in the. Alrighty. So be safe, guys. See you all in Discord. Smash the like before you go, and see you guys later. Bye, guys. It would have been Stuart. It would have been, yeah. Big, big, big. Bye, all. Merry Christmas, guys. See you guys in Discord. See you next week. Alrighty? See ya. Bye all. Bye bye.